What up, YouTube? Coming with another live one. All right, customer complained that she had a coolant leak, smelled coolant. Found out, troubleshot, it was down there, one of the hoses were leaking. This is the old hose that was leaking from the oil cooler. It was leaking enough to where it was shooting coolant out through a little pinhole in there. So we got another hose to put on in place of it. So I'm gonna prep this thing and get it up in there to go in this place. Got a little bit of coolant dripping right now. So there's the oil cooler right there, where it's dripping out at. And that's I just added that line, so don't worry about that. So it's gonna go there. And then the upper line is right up there. So we're gonna change that out, get it hooked up, and it should be ready to go. All right, we got new hose in place, like that, and that's pretty much it. Good to go. Shake my clamps and make sure they're straight. Make sure everything is in place. Do a test run, let it run for about 5 minutes, and make sure there's no leaks.
Check this out.
Okay. All right. So the seal up under here. It's been running about 30 minutes. Everything's still dry. Did a few rev cycles in it. No leaks. That's what I want to see. Or don't see that. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace.